Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get a bed or craft bed in Minecraft. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate the sheeps, any kind of them. There can be any color. For example, there's a gray one, and let's place 3 of them because that's the most ideal. Now get the shears, or simply put down the sheep by killing them, and that way you'll get a wool. Next is to get some of the and craft some planks. Move to the workbench after getting all of these resources. Place 3 of the wood planks on the bottom like this, and 3 of the wool blocks on top like this, and that way you'll get a bed. And also you can change the color of a bed depending on the color of the wool. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.